Hi everyone, I'm Anne Overcash. If you've ever been in a situation in the home environment or at school where you only have a few pictures to laminate, we often have this dilemma because when we need to protect the pictures via lamination, we have an option of using a large standard size laminator in the school office, perhaps, or a desktop laminator. But if I only have this many pictures to laminate, I may have to use an entire sheet of laminating film. And I think most of us realize that's quite a waste. Lori Frost has found a great solution for this dilemma. We have found these perforated sheets. The perforated sheet grid can actually be found from our website. Download the grid, import the pictures from whatever picture source you have. Of course, Pics for PECS CDs have the grids already in them, but this perforated grid will be wonderful. Load this into your printer, print the pictures, and they come out beautifully. But not only that, I don't have to cut, no scissors required. I just simply tear the pictures apart. Once torn apart, I can take these individual pictures and place them inside these small laminating pouches. These pouches are wonderful because there will be no wasted lamination, and once it's protected by laminating, I don't even have to cut the picture out again. So no cutting required at all. I can either take this to a regular laminator or my desktop laminator. Depending on the type of laminator you have, you may have to put this into a protective covering. So just be sure you know what to do with your particular laminator. The complete kit comes with all of the perforated pages you need, the pouches you need to laminate, and the current edition of the Pics for PECS CD. I hope you enjoy this product as much as I have. Have a good one.